Imagine holding a piece of history that's over 400 million years old. A creature that roamed the ancient seas long before dinosaurs ever walked the earth. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of the Dicranurus trilobite, a stunning fossil from Morocco that's not only a scientific marvel but also a breathtaking work of art from the Paleozoic era. This is the Dicranurus, a name that means twin forked tail, and as you can see, it's easy to understand why. Its distinctive, spiny tail and elaborate head shield make it one of the most recognizable and sought-after trilobites in the world. But what makes this particular fossil so special? Let's take a closer look. Trilobites were among the first arthropods to dominate the oceans, thriving for nearly 300 million years. The Dicranurus lived during the Devonian Period, a time when marine life was incredibly diverse. Its spines weren't just for show, they likely served as a defense mechanism against predators, making it a true survivor of its time. Picture this, a warm, shallow sea covering what is now modern-day Morocco. The Dicranurus scuttled along the ocean floor, using its compound eyes to navigate and its spines to ward off attackers. Fast forward millions of years, and this very creature has been preserved in stunning detail, thanks to the fine-grained limestone of the region. Fossils like this don't just appear out of the ground ready for display. They require painstaking preparation by skilled hands. Each spine, each segment, is carefully uncovered to reveal the masterpiece hidden within the rock. It's a labor of love that brings these ancient creatures back to life, and now, this incredible piece of natural history could be yours. Whether you're a seasoned collector, a passionate paleontologist, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the ancient world, owning a Dicranurus fossil is like owning a window into Earth's distant past. If you're as captivated by this fossil as we are, don't wait, this is a rare opportunity to own a piece of history. Click the link in the description to learn more about this Dicranurus trilobite and how you can make it a part of your collection. Fossils like this remind us of the incredible journey our planet has taken. They tell stories of life, survival, and the ever-changing nature of Earth. The Dicranurus is more than just a fossil, it's a connection to a world that existed long before us, and a testament to the wonders that still lie buried, waiting to be discovered. Every fossil tells a story of resilience, adaptation, and the incredible passage of time. The Dicranurus trilobite is no exception. It's a reminder of how life on Earth has evolved, survived, and thrived through countless challenges. Holding this fossil is like holding a piece of that story, a tangible connection to a world that existed long before humans ever walked the planet. And while the Dicranurus is undoubtedly a standout, it's just one of many incredible fossils that offer us a glimpse into the past. From towering dinosaurs to tiny marine creatures, each fossil has its own unique tale to tell. Collecting fossils isn't just about owning a piece of history, it's about preserving and celebrating the legacy of life on Earth. If you're new to fossil collecting, don't worry, it's a journey anyone can embark on. Start with something that speaks to you, like this Dicranurus. Learn its story, care for it, and let it inspire you to explore more. Who knows? You might just discover a passion for paleontology that lasts a lifetime. And if you're already a collector, you know the joy that comes with adding a new piece to your collection. The Dicranurus is a crown jewel for any collection, a conversation starter, and a source of endless fascination. It's not just a fossil, it's a treasure. So, what are you waiting for? This Dicranurus trilobite fossil is a rare find, and it's ready to become the centerpiece of your collection. Click the link below to learn more and make it yours today. Don't miss this chance to own a piece of Earth's ancient past. Fossils like this remind us of the incredible journey our planet has taken. They tell stories of life, survival, and the ever-changing nature of Earth. The Dicranurus is more than just a fossil, it's a connection to a world that existed long before us, and a testament to the wonders that still lie buried, waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of fossils and natural history. Until next time, keep exploring. See you in the next adventure.